In this video, we will identify, name, and describe some three-dimensional or 3D shapes. There are also different kinds of shapes that are not flat. Let's take a look at some of them. Study the shapes below. What makes them different from flat shapes? Did you know that the new shapes that are not flat are called three-dimensional shapes? And remember that these shapes are not flat and they are called three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional shapes are not flat because they have faces. What is a face? Let's see. This is an example of a three-dimensional or 3D shape. It has sides like the ones below. It has corners. But it also has faces. Let's look at this. This is a cube. It looks like a square. It is actually made up of many squares. It is like an ice cube. It has blank square faces. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a cube has 6 faces. How many sides does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So a cube has 12 sides. Let's have rectangular solid. It looks like a rectangle. It can be made up of rectangles and squares. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Just like the cube, a rectangular solid has 6 faces. Because it is like a long cube, it also has 12 sides. And it also has 8 corners. How about triangular solid? Triangular solid looks like a triangle and a rectangle put together. It also looks like the Toblerone chocolate. It has, let's count how many faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. So a triangular solid has 5 faces. It has 9 sides. It has 6 corners. Next, pyramid. It looks like a triangle. It has a base that can be a square, triangle, or rectangle. In what country can we find pyramids? Yes, in Egypt. Let's count how many faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, a pyramid has 5 faces. It has 8 sides. It has 5 corners. Next, cylinder. A cylinder has a curving shape. It has no corners. It looks like a glass or a can. It has 2 circular bases, 1 and 2. Next, cone. It is also a curving shape. It has a pointed tip. It looks like an ice cream cone. It has 1 circular base. Next, sphere. It looks like a circle. It is also a curving shape. It looks like a ball. It is perfectly round. It has no corners. So let's review. These are the three-dimensional shapes. What's the name of this shape? Good. Cone. How about this? Yes, it's sphere. And this? Cube. How about this? Correct. Rectangular solid. And this? Pyramid. How about this? Yes, cylinder. And then, how about the shape that looks like the Toblerone chocolate? Yes, triangular solid. Well done, kids!